this product is not selling. It's been live on Amazon for 3 months, and and David has had 3 sales. Okay. So, what do you on the call think is the problem? Start typing things in. I've given you a link. Start typing things in. Now, I just did some research on David, who is either getting a glass of wine or he's not around. And here's the background on David. So David has only just joined the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. He joined, I think, yesterday. So that tells me that he has not followed my AOE training modules to put together a good listing. And I think we can all agree it shows. It shows because it's pretty clear to anybody that's done the AOE training modules why this won't be selling. But let's just see what you guys think. Right, here's some things. Let's just have a look. Paul Woodhouse says, no buy box. Okay, there's no buy box. That's clearly a problem. Chrissy says, Celsius. Now, look at this. Really? Where are you selling? In Australia, mate. Who do you know in Australia that works in Fahrenheit and would need to know that information? Really? Why is that important? Nobody gives a shit about that. Michelle says it's boring. Anna says it's unclear what it is. I think it's pretty clear it's a meat thermometer, but I would imagine that what it is an electric meat thermometer. And so I think there needs to be more work done on the keywords to do that. It's pocket sized. Okay. Really? Is that important for a meat thermometer that it fits in your pocket? Like, who gives a shit about that? It's water submersible. Okay, for easy cleaning. Okay, cool. Tough ABS product. Food grade stainless steel. Screen can rotate. For left-handed operation. Would that be important? I doubt it. Hero image should show a massive lump of meat. Yes, a nice piece of medium rare steak could be on this image. I agree with that. The product looks rude. Yeah, it's a bit anal proby, you're right. Celsius. Here comes a roasting. Headline is bitsy. Yeah, the headline is really poor. Really, really poor. There's no reviews. There's no reviews at all. What else have we got going on? Let's have a look. Let's have a scroll down. Product description. Okay. Well, without knowing, eliminate the guesswork undercooked meat. See, that's good. Eliminate the guesswork of undercooked meat. That's a great thing. Yeah. An accurate reading in 3 to 4 seconds. So you've hid all the best work, all the best features, you've hidden them in the product description where nobody is going to read. Nobody reads that shit. That's just for SEO. Nobody reads that shit. You want to put all that information up here. That's where they're reading. Did you know, by the way, Amazon Australia, more people are now buying things on Amazon Australia on a mobile than they are on a PC. So clearly that means mobile optimization is the go. On a mobile, I don't know if you've ever checked, it's so hard to get that information, and it comes with a battery and a free battery too. That's super cool. So all the good information about this product is in the wrong place. The wrong place. What about the images? What's the images like? Fold away probe. Okay. That's a busy image. How the hell could you read that on a mobile phone? How on earth are you going to read that shit? You just ain't. Why is everything in Fahrenheit? This is clearly an American listing. This is an American listing. It's all in Fahrenheit. In Australia, we in centigrade, okay? This just screams American product, not for Australian market. American product. I suspect these are not your images. No lifestyle images to show it being used. Keywords are rubbish. Yeah. Title needs attention. Yeah. I am being brutal. I know. But you know, what is the opposite of that? The other thing is I'm all mushy and life coachy and fluffy rainbow unicorns farting loveliness. But that doesn't help David. He wants to know what the hell he needs to do to make his product sell. Doesn't want to know how he can make him feel better. It's a direct. Can we sell to US market? Probably. This is a better. But the only thing good about this, what's good about this, is the description. And the description has been hidden all the way down here. What's here in the description is really good stuff. All of this needs to be moved around. All of this needs to be rewritten. And these images need to get redone. It's a poor listing. I'm sorry to tell you. But it is a poor listing. That's why you're not making any sales, because your competitors are doing a much better job than you are. That's why you're not making sales and they are. Look how many competitors you've got. Doink, doink, doink. 5,000 people competing. You better believe you need to have your shit together to go compete in this marketplace. And your listing does not compete. These other people are doing it better than you. That's why you're not making any sales, David.
Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales I've used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.